Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Friends Forever. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the complete recruitment process for the KPIT technologies. Watch the full video to get the complete idea about KPIT and their recruitment process and also the preparation to crack KPIT interview. Okay, let's get started. To crack KPIT, you have to clear 4 rounds generally. First is the objective type round, second is the C programming, third the technical interview and finally the HR interview. First, let's discuss about the objective round. In this round, the question will be from the following topics, namely general aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, technical questions and C programming basics. In the aptitude, the important topics are time and work, probability, averages and ages, time and distance, boats and streams. Most of the aptitudes will be covered from these topics. If you are thorough with the basic mathematical skills, then you can solve these problems very easily. Then coming to the logical reasoning, data interpretation plays the vital role. Data interpretation is an important topic to which you have to concentrate more. Types of problem will be like tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs and some mixed diagrams. Coming to the technical aptitude questions, KPIT mainly concentrate on 3 domains, ECE, EEE and ENI. So your technical questions will be from your core subjects like digital electronics, microprocessor and microcontroller, power electronics, embedded systems, communication, filters, amplifiers, networking, and the major topic would be control systems because KPIT is based on control system domain. If you cover all these basic topics, you can easily crack those technical questions. Then the C programming objectives. Questions like output for the programs, questions related keywords like auto, static, extern and global. Some basic topics will be covered for this C programming objectives. Once you clear your objective type round, the next round will be your C programming hands-on. In this round, you will be given 2 programming to solve. You have to complete those programs and run all the test cases. The program will be very easy and it is covered from general topics. Some of the questions which were asked in previous year is LCM and GCD, quadratic equation, Fibonacci series, pattern printing, factorial, prime number, palindrome, Armstrong number, reverse string, sum of the digits and so on. If you are good in your basics like technical aptitude and programming, you can easily clear the first round. If you clear your first 2 rounds, the next round will be your technical interview. This is a 1-to-1 phase interview. Before entering into this round, you have to be prepared with all the terms that you have mentioned in your resume. Be thorough with your resume and the topics you have mentioned in area of interest and also prepare well to explain yourself and your project details. The first question in this round is from your previous round, that is C programming hands-on. They will ask you to explain the program that you have executed. This is to check your logical approach from the problem. Then you will be asked to explain your project and some technical questions related to your project and questions from your area of interest will be asked. Apart from the project and area of interest, let's talk about the important topics with respect to your technical interview. The subjects from which the questions expected are LIC, digital electronics, microprocessor, microcontroller, electronic devices, analog circuits, control systems and embedded systems. In LIC, filters and amplifiers play a vital role. They will be asked to explain any one of the filter operations such as low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and so on. So be thorough with the types of filters and you have to explain how the filter works. Amplifier workings and operations may also be asked. Coming to the digital electronics, for sure there will be a question from digital electronics. So be prepared with topics such as logic gates, flip-flops and counters. Questions related to inputs and outputs of the gates, working of the gates, operation of the gates and practical application of flip-flops and counters may also be asked. Other such major topics in which KPIT deals are microprocessor, microcontroller and control systems. From these two, general questions may be expected. Topics such as interrupts, little Indian, big Indian, flags, tri-state logic, registers are expected. In microcontrollers, they will ask you the number of pins, operations of the pins and inputs and outputs of the pins. In control systems, basic questions such as the types of control systems, working of control system, practical applications of control system is asked. They may also ask you certain questions from analog circuits such as regarding the signals, but be well prepared on area of your interest mentioned in the resume. Major question and major questions are asked mainly on your area of interest. So be well prepared in your area of interest and a little prepared in other topics. Coming to the C programming related questions, you will ask questions from structures, unions and pointers. In pointers, the basic definition of pointers, the increment and decrement operators and some operations in pointers is asked. The question related to keywords like ortho, static, extend and global may also be asked. They will ask you to write a program and explain the logic. Mostly the questions will be on pattern printing. So be thorough in it. You will be also asked to solve some puzzles. You can refer online websites to get some idea about the puzzle questions. And this is all regarding your technical interview round. Once you clear your technical interview, it is almost done. You can assume that you are selected for the company. The next comes is your HR interview. It is a one-to-one face interview. As you all know, the very first question in your HR interview is self-introduction. Be self-confident and be perfect in introducing yourself. After your introduction, they will ask you regarding the placement details and your interview experience, and they ask you job location preferences. Once you give everything and once you are comfortable, you are selected for the company and they will send you the offer letter within 1 week of confirmations. Thank you for watching. For more updates, do subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Click on the bell button to get the regular updates from our channel. Thank you, friends.